Hi.
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 Are you excited?
We have the privilege today of witnessing Jesse and Haley present themselves before God to be united as one in marriage. In this wedding, Jesse and Haley will promise to love the other more than they love themselves and to love Christ more than they love each other. What a blessing it is for all of us to witness two individuals who have chased so hard after Jesus stand before us to be married today.
Haley, I love you beyond measure. Even though those 3 words don't equate to how much you mean to me, you've shaped me to who I am today and made me a better man for it. You are my person, and I cannot imagine a life without you. You've always supported me and stood by my side. You always know what I need in the moment and what to say to keep me going. Without a question, you are my best friend and the love of my life. God has blessed me in so many ways to give me someone like you to marry and grow old with.
Jesse, when I dreamt of my wedding day as a little girl, I always wondered about the man I would marry. I can assure you that you are far greater than anything I ever dreamt or imagined. For the last 8 years, you have been faithful to me and loved me despite my failures and flaws. You've been faithful to carry me through some of the worst moments of my life. You have been faithful to cheer me on in the valleys and on the mountaintop, never failing to encourage and support me. You have been faithful to follow Jesus and pursue his will for your life and our family. You have been faithful to lead me from the very start. God knew when he made me that in this life I would need someone who would be faithful to me in all things. He also knew from the moment he formed you that that someone would be you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jesse, you may kiss the bride.
We're married.
It is now my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jesse Blackstone.
I promise to love you through life's toughest challenges and be there when you need me. I promise to build my dreams around you and ensure your dreams come true. I promise to love and support you unconditionally. I promise to lead our relationship to honor Christ and point others to him. I promise to love Christ more than I love you and put him first above all else. I promise to be the best husband I can possibly be. I promise to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be more like Christ and allow you to do the same for me. You make me never forget how much God truly loves me. And you are the greatest gift I could ever ask for. I love you so much and will continue to demonstrate that for the rest of my life. I love you always.
I promise to be your greatest supporter and biggest encourager. I promise to be your most faithful friend. I promise to wholly pursue Jesus for all of my days. I promise to bear your burdens and walk with you through the heartaches of this life. I promise to honor you and respect you as the head of our home and our family. I promise to devote my life to being the wife and mother that Jesus calls me to be. I promise to love you with all that I am and all that I have for all of my life. Even on the days that are less than amazing, I am looking forward to spending every last one of them with you. I love you always.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you.